Mine3DX is the integrated geological modeling and resource evaluation platform designed specifically for stratified mineral deposits such as coal, lignite, bauxite. So once you open the software, you have features above. So there are files where you can use the project management. You have the import option for DXF, DWG, geometry data, triangle. In export, you can export geometry data. And you have option for SQL also. In geometry, you can display the geometry data, create. There are options for point editing, string editing, segment editing. In Borehole database, you can load the color file. In sample file, you can load both the lithology and the quality data. In sim file, you can load the sim file, and in last file, you can load the borehole last file. In edit, there are options for new data type, adding new borehole variable, stratigraphic sequence. You can create stratigraphic sequence. You can display the boreholes based on your choice. There are other options. You can create triangle. You can create grid in grids. So you can compute, display, then edit, manipulate. And then you have the sim model options. In sim model, you have the sim model 3D display, fault model, sim model options, the summarized resource reporting, detailed resource reporting. The sim model 3D display, it's a pretty unique one. If I select the sim model 3D display, the grids are displayed as a block. This is displayed as a single block, and you can use this to see the various grids. Next, coming to the survey module. So in survey module, you have the option for last merger, where you can merge multiple last files. You have this open viewer options. In open viewer, you can view any KML, KMZ file. Also, there is a DEM view. You can upload GeoTIFF. There is Shapefile viewer, so you can upload Shapefile. Also, you can load point cloud data. So you have to just keep the file name. So once you load the point cloud data, you can convert the point cloud data in STL or triangle, and there is option for generator. So if you have any drone data of your pit, so you can generate the toke race TM, and also you have the merger option for multiple KML shape files. And then there is the utility where you can classify ground. You can just clear the ground surface based on your requirement. We have this washability option. There are options for adding analysis type or variables and load washability data. We have this report option. We can see the washability curve also. So this is in short the very compact, useful tool for resource modeling. Mine3DX delivers a complete geological modeling solution within one integrated platform, and I'm ready to hear from you for detailed discussion on this. Thank you very much.